No installations, no downloads, just a super easy way to record your screen right now. Let's get started. Go and click Windows Home button. Search for Snipping Tool. To launch using the shortcut, press Windows key, Shift, and R on your keyboard. This is a screenshot tool to save your screen as an image. This is recording your screen as a video. Let's click on New. Choose the screen size. I'm choosing my whole screen. After that, you should unmute your microphone. Then choose your microphone here. After that, if you want to enable or disable your system audio, you can use this button. And finally, click Start Recording. Okay, it's recording my screen right now. You can't see the Stop Recording button right now, but it will be there. I'm stopping the recording. You can watch and check the video. And also you can go find your recordings here. Subscribe my channel for more tips. If you have any questions, you can write in the comments below. See you in the next video.